Chris. Well, hello there, and welcome to my anatomy project. For this anatomy project, I have focused on two of Chris's major organs. The first of this organ is the ear, because he is such a good listener, and the second organ is the heart, because he has such a heart for others. I've also chosen two systems to focus on: the respiratory system and the digestive system. You may also notice several different numbers scattered across Chris's body. These different numbers represent the 7 anatomical design principles discussed in our anatomy textbook. Here in the ear portion of Chris Pine, we have the inner, middle, and outer ear labeled in a diagram, the auditory ossicles labeled, the human range of hearing, which is 20 to 20,000 hertz, as well as information on the organ of Corti. Here in the heart, we have stated the oxygenated and deoxygenated parts of the heart, the 4 phases of the cardiac cycle, a diagram of the heart labeled, and we also have an important quote about the heart from our textbook. Moving on to the respiratory system, we have a definition of the respiratory system from the book, as well as a detailed diagram of the respiratory system, including the lungs, nasal cavity, pharynx, vocal cords, etc. We also have a look at the larynx and talk more in depth about what it does. Finally, we have the alimentary system, more commonly known as the digestive system. Here, we discuss ingestion and egestion, we have a definition, and we also have a labeled diagram of the important parts of the digestive system. Now we move on to the 7 anatomical design principles that are discussed in our textbook. Each of the anatomical design principles on Chris has been placed in a very strategic area that corresponds to what the anatomical design principle is talking about. For example, anatomical design principle number 1 says, a very effective way to squeeze huge geometric regions into very confined spaces is to make the boundary of the regions very irregular, i.e., fold it, make it very tortuous, or crumple it up as you would do with a large sheet of paper when you wish to compress it into a small ball. This corresponds to the digestive system, where many different organs are simply crumpled together into a more confined space. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy quarantine. Cheers, Chris!